Hello there. This is Charlie Dean, founder and chief architect at Architectura. Today, I want to talk about Architectura's AT5, a great Australian ranch-style house for country living. Here are AT5 specifications. The floor area is 1,600 square feet or 150 square meters in total. Dimensions are 40 feet by 40 feet or 12.2 by 12.2 meters. It has ample bedrooms with closets. 2 bathrooms. The Architectura AT5 model uses a steel chassis like the ones used in shipping containers, but all else is different. Our homes are made to withstand the rigors of earthquakes, hurricanes, and fires. The steel chassis allows floor-to-ceiling glass windows and doors to be placed anywhere in the home, and yet, this feature does not compromise structural integrity at all. In fact, it collaborates with it. Architectura.com's AT5 is perfect for a modern couple looking to start a family. Use every square foot, allowing children to play, create, and live without the stairs. With the kitchen at the heart of the home, you'll have sight lines to monitor busy toddlers or sleeping infants while cooking dinner or doing dishes. Enjoy life, and then, enjoy all the moments it brings. A spacious master bedroom with double closets and an ensuite bathroom sit adjacent to 2 additional bedrooms. Use one as a nursery and the other as a guest bedroom. A glassy, open-plan living creates a space ideal for living and socializing. Our composite walls combine steel and expanded polystyrene, EPS, or wood and polyurethane foam in the form of structurally insulated panels, SIP. When welded to the steel chassis, the combination of materials makes for very strong and structurally sound homes. All homes incorporate air filtration and energy recovery systems. This provides a continuous supply of fresh filtered tempered air throughout the home and reduces reliance on forced air systems. By default, all buildings are highly energy efficient. On top of this, systems like ductless heat pump heating and cooling, voice-activated control on LED lighting, and tankless water heaters, with high-performance insulation help keep recurring costs down a lot. Programmable thermostats, smart technology, programmable lighting, and shade controls do the rest. Homes arrive at the site ready to plug in different exterior cladding and interior finishes and fixtures to tune the house to its site. Using technology, processes, and composite materials, Architectura manages to eliminate the layers that plague traditional construction workflows and result in duplicated costs, strategies, and time. Architectura homes are characterized by faster builds. Because almost nothing is done on-site, and most of the components are manufactured and supplied from workshops, times are shorter. ATD panels are snow, rain, fire, and earthquake-proof. Architectura's philosophy is to make efficient buildings that spend little to be cooled down and take less to warm up. This is ultimately a friendly stance towards the environment and the owner's pocket. We've learned how to build by opening our minds to a constant learning process. We're just looking outside of the box in which architecture, engineering, and construction companies operate. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't yet done it. Or leave comments, we read the all and will respond.